Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the same day I filmed fixing the Forester exhaust. I'm still under the weather. I still have a couple of hours left in the day, and something I really wanted to do was to gut the mufflers on the Legacy GT. This thing has a lot of goodies on it. Like, it has upgraded top mount intercooler, Perrin catless up pipe, Grimspeed catted down pipe, turbo inlet, cob intake. So it already makes a lot of fun whooshy noises. It just doesn't have that rumble, which is unfortunate because it still has the stock catback. I have some welding gas today, and I was thinking it'd be a good idea to gut the mufflers. So originally, my original plan of attack was to unbolt the axle back mufflers, but I'm afraid if I do that, they're gonna fall apart. Like, just look at this. That is what we're working with. And I already knocked off a big chunk over there. That's it right there. So I'm afraid if I start messing around with this, it's just gonna fall apart. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to unbolt it from the downpipe and see if I can get it off without breaking it. Something I am debating on doing is I still have my stock STI catback. I have seen people put that on their GTs, so I'm thinking about just doing that, even if this just sounds like garbage, just to do it, just to see how it sounds with the Grimspeed downpipe. But yeah, let's see if I can get this off pretty easily. Oh, I'll give you a sound clip too of how she sounds right now. So if you hear it, she wants to backfire a bit. Just needs to be opened up. Let me try to get the cap back down, and hopefully nothing breaks. Let's hope. I have a feeling we're gonna be putting the stock STI cap back on this thing, just because it's pretty rotted. So this is what we are working with. It came out in one piece. It came out pretty easy. You can see the rust has been catching up to it. It's starting to just, come apart. We'll pretend we didn't see that. But the flanges, like I mentioned, they're pretty well non-existent. So I really did not want to touch that. I was pretty delicate, making sure I didn't put too much weight on that and crack those. But I took my 2018 STI mufflers and I put them side by side. The flanges are definitely different, but if we took the 2018 STI mid pipe with the mufflers, it should come close. From my understanding, the flange back there is in a different orientation, so we'd have to adjust that and maybe lengthen it or shorten it, I'm not sure. But as well as the hanger brackets or the little bars, we'd have to heat them up and bend them to make them fit. But it's definitely doable. We could put quad tips on this if we wanted. I do think I'd have to trim the rear bumper a little bit, which I don't really want to do. We'll see. I don't know if we're going to come to that. We might do it eventually. I don't know. But my plan of action right now is I think I'm just going to take an angle grinder, cut into there, and just see what's going on. I don't know how big I should cut it. I don't know how small I should cut it. I'm just going to wing it. I tried looking up before on YouTube if anyone's done this. I haven't seen it. So I'm just going to make a cut and see what's in there. I think we should see what open downpipe sounds like. It's probably gonna be loud. A little nervous. It's actually not that bad. That ain't staying. All right, I'm just gonna get to cutting and see what I find. I really don't know. One way to find out. So this is what the inside looks like. It's definitely not what I imagined it was gonna look like inside. This is where I really wish I had a reciprocating saw. Unfortunately, I do not. But we'll see. I'm just gonna hack away at this for a bit and see what I can knock out. this is what the inside now looks like. It's completely gutted. I'm kind of impressed I got it gutted, to be honest, with the limited tools I had. I am gonna have to just tack weld that, fill her up. But you can see like the muffler itself is starting to rot away. So I do have a feeling we will be putting the STI cap back on it eventually. But yeah, let me get this one tacked up, see how much time I got. I might just do one and see how it is. See time-wise, I don't know, we'll see. And there we go. It definitely is not pretty. I was getting a lot of porosity, especially around here from the dirt, and up here I was basically welding rust, as you can see. I even plugged up the side, but again, I'm basically welding rust, which is full of porosity. I'm not even gonna bother cleaning it up. I'm just gonna throw it in and see how it sounds. I'm not gonna do the driver's side, just because I don't want this thing to be too loud. Don't mind a little bit louder, but not too loud, hopefully. To be honest, these mufflers are pretty rotted out. I don't really see a point into continuing, because you can see right there, that's pretty much a muffler delete right there. The STI catback is still an option. To give you an idea, hard to hold it with one hand, and that's everything we deleted. So if you think about it, not only was this weight reduction, we got sound out of it, but also it should help the car breathe a little bit more. So all in all, this is a pretty positive mod. Let me throw it in. I forgot how hot it gets when you weld. I haven't welded anything really in like over 8 months. Let's see how she sounds. It's quiet. It's quiet. It's so quiet. You can't even hear it. It's quiet. It's still so quiet. I'm still so shocked how quiet it is. The only reason why I can think it's so quiet is because maybe the passenger side, it's a longer run. So the majority of the exhaust fumes might be running to the driver's side. I didn't gut the driver's side. But I think that just shows you, you gotta gut you gotta gut both. You gotta gut them both. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do now. Because one, I don't got time to gut the other one. I have no time, and I don't really want to do it right now. I'm tired, I'm sick, I don't want to do it. Well, it was an experiment. I would like to do the other side to see how it sounds, to see how the stock catback sounds gutted. It's unfortunate. I honestly thought it would have been louder. I'm kind of disappointed, because I don't really see a point in continuing gutting it, because the other side is like rotted. But I could do it because I want to do it to see what it actually sounds like. Okay, we got to gut the other one another day. We have to do it. That's it. We're not doing it today. We're gonna do it in another video, but we have to gut the other one. That will be another video. And if that sounds like shit, I don't know. We'll probably put the 18 STI catback on it. I don't know. I'm speechless right now. I'm shocked. I put all this time into it, and it is quiet. It's so quiet. Okay, whatever. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And take it easy, guys.